Hey guys, welcome to AutoCraze. I'm Gab, and today we have a very special guest in the building, and he's been following our Instagram for a while now, seeing the kind of range of builds we do, so he decided to bring his own one down.
Waerea-Hargreaves on top by 2 points. Waerea-Hargreaves. Here goes Jared, the new dad. Waerea-Hargreaves.
We put together a package which includes 20x10 Asantis, Nitto Trial Grapplers, a lift kit which includes the upper control arms, EGR Flares, nudge bar, and the rest of the cosmetics. Stay tuned and check this build out.
Hey guys, and for this special customer, we're going to be doing a monster lift kit for it. It's going to be a 3-inch. Now with the 3-inch, we're going to be putting the black hawk upper arms. They are ADR approved. The Taiwanese made product, one of the best. Now these arms do replace the factory arms, just to get more caster out of them. Hey guys, the special guest that we spoke about before is the man, Jared Waerea-Hargreaves. He's here today. We finally finished his Ranger. He's stoked, I'm stoked. I've seen it, he hasn't seen it yet. Jared's gonna tell you how he feels, how he found out about us and all that stuff. Jared, tell the people watching how you feel, man.
I'm excited, standing here with the man Mo. Obviously heard about AutoCraze, came down, checked them out on social media. Came down here a few days later, here I am today. Super excited to see my Ranger, so thanks to you guys.
Yeah, alright, and now your car's been AutoCraze, bro. Now it's time for you to get the AutoCraze way. Pick your colours.
Thanks to everyone, super proud to be a AutoCraze member. Thanks to Asanti, and yeah, super excited. Yeah. That's right. That's cool.
That's how we do it on AutoCraze. Finally pimped, it's done. Asanti. So what we've done over here, we've got some 20x10 Asanti. The latest and the greatest out of Asanti. We've also got them wrapped up with the Nitto Trial Grapplers. We've got the LED lighting done. Tints.
That's how you do a Ranger, bro.
That's how you do a Ranger, bro.